Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a hub-and-spoke network for whole home automation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your home's layout. Identify central areas where automation is most beneficial. Choose a suitable hub for your network. Research options that support the devices you plan to use. Install the hub in a central location for optimum connectivity. Connect the hub to your internet router using an Ethernet cable. Power on the hub and follow the manufacturer's setup instructions. Download the hub's companion app on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account or log into the app as required. Connect to your hub through the app by following the on-screen instructions. Add your first device by selecting the Add option in the app. Follow the prompts to power on your device and put it into pairing mode. Confirm the device connection through your app. Repeat this process for each device you wish to integrate. Organize your devices into rooms or zones within the app for easier control. Explore automation options available within the app. Set up automations or routines based on your preferences. Test each device and automation to ensure everything functions correctly. Adjust any settings as necessary for better performance. Consider adding Wi-Fi extenders for areas with poor connectivity. Regularly update your hub's firmware for enhanced security and features. Monitor the system's performance to make any necessary improvements. Document your configurations for future reference or troubleshooting. Enjoy the convenience of your new hub-and-spoke network for home automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.